What's up my people? Welcome back to the channel. So me up on the road I make a chat and me I do this and go the same way. So now go hear looking nice in the background, you know watch that because me not go chat for long, so we not go hear too much, right? So my people, a lot of people come out and a bash Annie. You see me I say even LD, you know, we turn back friend with Annie what there. Look like him did I look some clout or what. Now him come and say Annie line up Aki walk. You see me I say she say she go call the beast them pan Annie. People is a bunch of things and a lot of people have a lot to say. Even Shibada come and say film part. So me I go make you hear that also. You know what I mean? We have Lucra, some other else things, but the main focus are Annie right now. People, you know see Annie take back the internet from Rosealee completely. Annie have the internet buzzing any means necessary. Annie I go take back the internet. Even if you put somebody which part, you know what I mean, him can't go come out back for now. Although if I do the crime, well, you have to do the time. You see me I say, enough people I say, why no? Why you didn't do it long time ago when you suspect something and this and that and rare. See, some people make we get right tonight.
That fucking pinnet up got school from Corona time. And every day is all in a blood clot online class. Now that somebody come over here and say them lock up Aki Walker or police must have beat him. But let me tell you, the police they look a bit and kill this because they sit down over here at night time and then they on night shift and fuck around. And them supposed to can pick sense out of nonsense. I know say Annie, I want to look careless mama and anything folly go with them pitney, but guess what? Annie is trying to save her own ass. Giant big up. Annie is trying to save her own body hole, because guess what? It's when CDA find out the pussy tamper with, Annie go jail. Yeah. When CDA find out the pussy tamper with, Annie when I go jail. So Annie if you go on like so she's a blood clot. She have to go on like she new tweet. Her jail Annie if you go jail go rub look time. Me not ask you not tell me they tell you no. Annie know a long time say Aki Walker fuck Zoe. Why you think Aki Walker that's so careless with the back on to and from and you're not paying Aki Walker? If alright, if so be the case, cause man fi know better still, you know. And blame every man for them own a fuckery where them do. Aki walk for go jail, so should Annie. 2 blood clot of them for go on a jail. Grape them Ross. Okay, good night. Anyhow, as me say, the police then careless. And if you don't want to join the panel, you can come up in a box come talk, you know, cause like I'm not stop on the front and say how you feel or whatever. I just say, boy, Jaja. Then if it takes Zoe long time, them should have take Zoe long time. Zoe I'm gonna make myself a room. Somebody call CD over here, please. Make a tell CD if you go suck out them mama. They don't know, so you go sell police for Annie.
Good night.
What mama?
The whole of them for blood clot got jail. Annie, everybody forgot blood clot jail. Sauda. Remember blood clot jail.
Then you. And the police must look at waste pussy all them too. Cause then they're in a station and they watch TikTok all night cause then careless. And you tell me say you know you can't read big sense out of nonsense say Annie try to save him but you that's why I'm gonna lock up blood clot if you are.
Annie is a blood clot pimp. I should have people look at girl them pussy.
Facts. And you have one bag and you have one, and you end up with one bag of man in her house. I know say have young girls.
I would have put on that good bag there. I not bring no good bag in our house. Put on that good bag there, please.
Yeah, look, see if you drink.
No, but turn the bag back where. I didn't know about them the back there.
One Akiwa tell them say Annie know. Me say me want him do it too. Me want him do it. Me want him tell them say oh sir, his mother didn't know. So if me I got jail, everybody I got blood clot jail.
But here one me want Akiwa to tell the police them say she blood clot sell her to blood clot Akiwa. But you Akiwa can get in more trouble.
Yeah.
That's why me can't even say nothing. Annie is a dirty, careless, dirty, low life, dirty, nasty, drunkard, dirty woman. That's why I'm gonna follow you up. He's a dirty woman, Annie.
Get to him, man. If you get him, man, just 6 too much.
She will get her blood clot. She's a dirty woman.
Then feel lock her up that me want.
Then for lock up her blood clot with Akiwa. When them grab Akiwa, them shall go for blood clot.
Because Akiwa should have known better. Say Zoe a picnic and for let Zoe start.
True, him should have known better for true. Him should be a 30-year-old blood clot man. What you do a fuck a 14-year-old?
Yeah, man.
Then, good night, Sahuda.
Alright, mama.
Then, you did hear Aki walk on Shay live yesterday. I tell Shay, say, him a 37 and him no ramp with Pitney.
Yeah, we get what say too.
Yeah, and how I want taxi man, it mess with Zoe and something. Like, but for some reason...
Yeah, forget the man at the square. The man at the square by the Audi.
The
Hardy joint. Yeah, forget that part there. don't forget that part.
You just ask if I remember if I had that anything. I do not know how to know weird girl. I remember the fat girl named Anna, the moderator. You know what I'm talking? I'm not talking no ignorant. What you say? No, I'm not talk to make nobody feel away. But she never know. Alright, she never know. And Annie will never know. Annie never know that know this. So me I make sure she know now because me and her. You see me? Me and her know but me I go talk because Annie never know. But Annie birthday, me weakness. Yeah. Oh, you get that from? But Annie birthday, my weakness, the girl with name Anna, I feel up Zoe. You see me? In her pool. And me did turn to Annie and say me want to say something to her. You see it? Me never get the chance because we did going. You see it? Alright. Me start go back around them again and me see Aki walk and Zoe move a little bit close. You see it?
Alright, so my people, you hear what this man here say? Tell me if Annie and a big careless mama, you know. A big carelessness going around Annie. People, me hear Annie on live already, you know, I say Zoe love girls. A woman Zoe love. At that the age group there, she I tell people say a woman or daughter love. Tell me, how that sound to Uno?
I move a little bit close. Remember she's young, so I can't blame her for certain things. She's seeking love and attention that she's not getting in the home where she is. Me first realized, no, me talk. I me first realized say Aki walk and the little girl inner things. No, listen now. Me say it to Alia. Me never say it to you. When me realize that Aki walk and Zoe move too close.
You see it.
Me say it to Alia and me and Alia sit down and I talk about it and me I say Alia, you know, say them move too close with each other. You see me?
You tell them that they come and they contact with them sitting. And you they will pinpoint to that chat about it and focus for that.
And chat about it, brother, me there and I say
you want to have to prove baby we care.
true that still. Alright, and start.
Leave them up to time, like when they see.
Can we things that should have noticed?
Like how they see things that happen with we and they say, oh, a lie, them a tell them, a liar, them a do it to make money. Leave them alone, make the people and see who them is. Because much of people chug by me and say me a mad girl and me a liar, and know them and say, oh, other them. Then you allow them alone. Focus on we and try to.
True that. I did come on the internet and talk about it before this even come out, before it happened still. And I remember I did talk about it. I did say it, you know, I listen to him, I don't talk about it no more. But if I remember good, I did say it on the internet already. Long time ago, and no bash me. Everybody bash me and say me I disrespect people. And I remember when I did say it? Everybody disrespect me and I say I lie where I tell. Remember? Stop, man. No, don't say she forgot jail. She was blind to everything. Remember?
Hey.
Alright. But that's it. I listen, man. I love it. I mean, I'll be alright to church. That's it. You can't talk about Baba. I just want to raise the funds I will need to pay a lawyer for help me. Now worry about it. God got me.
God know Annie kill it. Annie need for God jail. Annie, Rosalie, the whole of them need for God jail.
But then again, when him there, Akiwak get caught in that chat there.
I've been gone. Not say me I pick up female, you know. You understand what I say? And you have the audacity of come on the internet, come and cuss Annie, and you know them can't keep them mouth.
Remember when she did the Airbnb, when she did go down a Black River, and she did down at the Airbnb, remember she did dip on the live and say, you know, Akiwak are the right man to take care of Zoe. Because
she knows that Akiwak a fuck blood clot Zoe. She knows that Akiwak, and then Akiwak him a got to come to about say, no hood big, me can't fuck Zoe, cause Zoe can't take my hood, cause it big.
But what I remember say, Aliyah come talk again, say, remember say, Aliyah again come talk, you know.
Yeah. She said, when she talk about Akiwak, me pay Akiwak, me not have all the money, but me pay him, so my self-fuck, that of them stinking honey.
But the exchange of goods and services.
Yes, so she can get Akiwak a travel and a carrier back and forth.
Yeah, Kim. I'm glad to start now. Kim, somebody asked, Akiwak get involved in any saga and rated.
Because Akiwak a fuck.
He loves sweets.
Yes.
Akiwak loves sweets. Any man is still manipulative, you know. She's very manipulative, you know.
At Jamaica say, anyway, too much girl people live, man. Ever put your fishy up there. Enough man always did it.
But Annie love invite the man them team.
Exactly. She loves invite the man them our yard and issue out people them like to sell them to the man them.
Jabas a fuck Annie to and then say Jabas is a fuck Jabas, that's how if Jabas not grind Zoe to come. Remember then Jabas are pedophile. But
you don't want to send them to man.
This one, today going to be a long day on social media. Remember everything I mean in a peak last night. Today going to be a long day because everything about phone.
Anthony, what other one name she go today with it?
Lock up our shit. The woman big and disgusting, you see, man, we can't
lock up too. she forget lock up too, and if you get lock up to anybody I get lock up, and if you get lock up too.
Yeah, man, him for go on with her.
Lock up,
and he going behind bars.
And if you go down to and come off of the internet, don't you rat them out, Annie. She needs to come off of the internet. You can't believe say Annie exploit her 14-year-old daughter, where Annie make so much money for the internet, and Annie no fulfill Zoe back to school, and enroll Zoe in our school. Anyhow, she did send Zoe to school. All of this would have never bust up.
And if meet a man tomorrow, all of the money gonna hear BM because fuck she run down. Do
yeah,
fuck
I fuck Annie run down.
Yeah,
I know some of the things that I fuck Zoe.
She talk them talking Zoe, you know. Aki walk to one businessman and one taxi man and fuck Zoe.
And Aki walk alone.
Him alone for go down, you need to call all of the name them.
That me say to the whole of
and I go talk about say Zoe tell him say Aki walk touch him. So you say Zoe talk say Aki walk.
Holy for man and fuck Zoe. Holy
man a long time Zoe and fuck long.
There is screen recording out there. I say Akiwa don't touch Zoe, don't fuck Zoe. Annie say so. And Annie also say Zoe tell her say Akiwa touch her. So Akiwa need to draw for them. So well,
why are friends Zoe? A long time, long before
Zoe
them.
Zoe, so
you remember the skin? Remember the skin record? Take that off your lip. That is too much.
Yeah.
Murder, dirty bungle. Me say you can't escape them. You name your chip and swallow the button for your phone. You can't get rid of that blood clot family. They then
whole family. I wish Annie this had come up. The whole family is a killing. She block me because she always attack facts. She block me. But guess what? She can't block Jayden them where this up her blood clot. But she always assure her up. She block me.
And if you go down, man, and she come like and it can't get scared.
And Jayden them ever class her and I she her mouth.
She make man from the pin them, then I come up on camera and tell the little girl about take lipstick off of your lip. And she going, King. No, but last night then I groom the pin them, but take man. And then I come and talk about take lipstick off her lip. Yeah, that's it, man.
People, me feel like eventually Annie I go get in some kind of trouble for this with Zoe situation, cause enough people are come talk out, you know what I mean? And me feel like say them are going to investigate and she are going in a problem too. But me people, Annie them a mafia still, you know, so Annie them we get out of them a situation, you know. You see me? And when me say mafia, me don't mean like bad people certain way, me mean like Annie them skill. You see what I say? So me can watch some more.
Based on everything, and it is very manipulative. And if you realize, and if you realize the situation with Zoe, what she did with Jayden, you can't put it past her with Zoe. It's the same.
Worst example of parenting. Annie, Mika did a breed under shit, Mika,
you know what I think as well. You know what I think. Annie knew about it, but she was sweeping it under the rug.
Come here.
But because CDA is on her now.
No,
she flip it.
Zoe. They know
yes.
Zoe.
She flip it.
She don't know.
Kim.
Okay.
Remember when
that's all I have to say. I'm leaving.
Yeah.
When you remember when Anna come out and say even Jagga did that FAR?
Yeah.
Nobody don't believe in her. You know me believe. I will even think Anna talk, you know, and it goes
Anna talk. That's why them sub Anna one side too, because Anna go to
King. You remember one day when Anna in Annie in the front seat and like the whole internet coming up on her and I say about your first little girl go to school, you know you went to the front, Zoe come here, come Aki walk, Zoe, come here, Zoe come, Aki walk, fear come fear. You know me forgot find a screen record there when she said
remember it.
Yeah, like that, come here with Zoe, make them wait.
Online private school and it
online private school. So why she thinking mouth. Why is Zoe not skip to the next turn then? And Zoe in a lash and wig in a big September. Zoe in a lash and wig like she a drag queen.
Yes, a weapon farm against the family and the king.
And yeah, Zoe are here.
You know, the pan no online class, nothing. Why she can't go to physical school? Why she can't go to school in person? Because Zoe don't have any manners. See, Zoe got to school the last time and something go down. And Zoe cuss off the woman and tell her that she can't stay there, she have to leave with her daughter.
Yeah.
Zoe have no behavior. She's acting above her age.
Zoe are going like she a big
man. Zoe a fuck. That alone.
If Zoe actually want them out big and Zoe a take big wood, she no must go on anytime girl a take big wood, so them be.
That's so right. That's true. Right. For them.
Anytime girl a take big wood,
you want to get locked up, but I need to get locked up too.
I need to go to jail too, because I know she not actually walk alone and fuck Zoe.
Walk alone and fuck her.
And you have to go down, you know, because she can't keep her mouth, you know. She can't keep her mouth. And you see she got like last night. Yeah, go. Akiwa don't go pitney from June, since June. Akiwa don't go pitney. She can't keep her mouth. You know, see, I don't know how you get the whole deeper for yourself.
And I say,
she's gonna go down.
If you there on here look at that and I change man to 24. So when I think say pitney go and take man to feel how body feel and them some of them talk the truth. And at the same thing, must say, I don't talk bad about people kids, but the conversation them Rosealee did have around Shanta about fuck and them some of them. Must say, Rosealee come beat her little sister and her sister never started high school yet, you know. And his sister up on Snapchat that take man. Right? I must say the type of conversation them wanna have around these kids. And them hear about sex nice and them something. I don't think them are going to try it out from a very tender age.
Man. And they open up to a lot of stuff, you know.
Yes.
On the internet.
If my little 2-year-old niece them a put on stay free, what you think?
Exactly. For real. The kids then open, they're not up here.
If my little 2-year-old and 3-year-old niece them a put on stay free, what you think? What you think? Children live what they learn.
Sure.
I mean, know that I go fly over enough people head.
That's true, and even though them are in them conversation, they're not being guided in the right way to say why we say so and so, you know. Mama tell you what this mean or what that mean. No, they're not explaining to them kids about nothing. They're not explaining to them kids about. They're not talking to them about sex education and them something. They're not explaining to them.
Children of full life one time. Everybody wants to try
thinking. Things that are talking a team, them are going to talk things in around the things that I know about. When them do talk the things, then they're not being educated about it.
And one thing I really
that's why the people them go behind them back and go do things.
And one thing I really still like one time I pitney and breed early. That don't really happen. The pitney them get so educated and I use them condom.
Akeem.
Alright, so my people, them type of something here where them are where Annie attack, you know, and people are look into and you know what I mean, put few and few together and I make the, you know what I mean, the where I say, I know. Alright, I could skip that because I lose that word there. But here I go, my people. Seeing if Annie, I say from them time the man are there with him youth. Seeing that means she knows something, you know what I mean, but on a level, you know what I mean, she can pray in hindsight. You know what I mean? And I say, you know, say them something add up, you know, so from them the time there. But that come around again, you know, my people, this lead up to a question. Did he actually take it? You see me, I say, without she giving him. But that is neither here nor there because we don't know, say, them not up on the same level when it come to age. So him still in a trouble no matter what. You see me, I say? So it was a fear, my people. You know what I mean? Them did inner things from them the time there. You understand? But now that the people them come around here now and them are going to do them check and them medical check and and they decide to come forward to keep she from getting into trouble because them are going to know say that little girl they are touch. And everybody will look on this girl, this little picnic and know say she a touch for a longer time. You know what I mean? Because and they take the youth out of school. People, make a watch some more.
internet name, so
no, I know back about this Marlene Williams and I mean
everything exposed on the internet.
Alright. Yeah, it's crazy to me if you should ask. It's crazy. You know, I didn't need to do better. But I need to get good on so.
Exactly, she not a little better. They might have to jail her to go. That she not a little better. What if I chance the people in here? All people who not like her get enough chances. Like me. You know, I never like any one time and they say, boy, the people need to stop me and rate it.
Look how the woman come out on the internet and cook with one man.
But you forget about she not change.
You know, say more say something. You know, say the fact that CDA go for Anna Piggy. I think they should have tried to get her counseling before them take Wilbert from her. I not tell no lie.
The people them try with Anna them. People them tried. Anna them evil. The people them send them a thing later. Anna them evil blood clot change them address. What make you think them change their address? And CDA them I run from.
But Wilbert, what time to call CDA do I know? No time.
I'm gonna tell you why she run. She run because she have to go choose between Redans and Wilbert. She never want to choose between the two. So she run. So she run because she don't want to choose between the two. She want her baby and she want Redans.
But
that's why she run.
I know. I don't realize Redans are the reason why they took her baby, you know.
Exactly.
But I'm saying the woman them still are sitting in a 12-year abusive relationship. What is it that you're gaining? Listen up,
she has short Jake's black hair. But I'm not around here. Rosalie is a manipulator and a narcissist.
Yeah, you're talk about Jake. They've been 12 years.
I know Jake's a class side the right way.
I know Jake doesn't know bad about her.
You know when picture, you know that Jamaican picture, then a drunk back and so Rosalie then the man back and the man now look on her. And she hurt her, she go like she move on from Jake, she hurt, you know. She hurt your folk. I mean, nah, exceptional.
Then she must hurt her Jake Salome or Rosalie.
You never know what you have. You never know what you have until you lose it. This when Jake's completely left her, because trust me, Jake's will left her, you know, opportunity will come and Jake will take it. I'm in around Jake's. Overseas will come with opportunity. What more Jake say though?
Can I say
what more Jake say though? I don't slip up.
Can I say this? Jake's and Rosalie for 12 years, and Jake's are taking money and buy fuck and don't leave Rosalie. That means that he's holding out to something, and that is his kids. He said, "My mama
but at the end of the day, you hear what Rosalie say. I'm want to realize this. Jake's is a good man.
He is.
Rosalie says sometimes Jake's wait till Shanta have one panty before he go wash the rest of Shanta panty them. As the father, almost father in a Jamaican household I go watch 10-year-old panty.
True. I'll be a judge and Jake's a wash.
Yeah, she say if she have 5 drawers in a one corner, Jake's have to wash them. A good man you have, Maria. A good man you have a good man. He might not have it, but he is a good man. Because guess what? If a son man, then make you have to carry in help and go wash the clothes and cook.
Let me say this. Sometimes a man, sometimes you pick up a man, and I say this as a woman. Sometimes we pick up a man and them not call it now. They're not educated like how we are educated. So we don't make more money than them. You see the little things them do. They make sure that the house clean, then cook, and they make sure that they rub your dung and stuff. That's why we woman roll on for a certain man, but them they don't know good man. The man that do the best.
Regardless of all Jake, man, fuck everybody view on that. Then the Rosalie and man I feel you too. But look here, I told Jake not going to say everything. But look here now, exactly. Look here. You know, say one of the best man you could have found in our relationship is a man who wash your clothes and cook for you.
Thank you. And make sure say, alright, if she says she's sick, Jake's got boiled tea. Jake's a come
Rosalie no girl. I told Rosalie no girl. Not even money. Not even money with a man a give you. Not nicer than when a man cook for you and pamper you.
Thank you very much.
That make you feel in love, so like when a man pamper you and make you feel like, oh, may I tell you, I've been there before.
If I say you're sick, If I say sick, Jakes run up, you make tea. Jakes want to the hospital.
Right now, Rosealee doesn't say another state there. I know she will never find a replacement for Jakes. But now I'm surprised. She will never find a replacement for him.
And you never Jakes like those.
You know when we gain respect for Jakes, so when him get the highlight and Jakes, I cannot say anything what about my baby mother. Because she did financially do what she did do when he never have it. I'm a respect a man with said that.
I know what to do key. If she find somebody else like Jakes, she will improve on herself. When she don't find somebody like Jakes, she work on herself now.
She people and
she would do better for herself.
Hello, she can't do it.
She find nobody else like Jakes.
When she go in a relationship with a man when near her out and beat out her blood clot. Yes, I never sleep for her yet. Come there when him feel like. And that I let her hurt her.
Yes, sir. Rosealee
is a narcissist and a manipulator. She got to say she want 20,000 of the kids. Nah. Rosealee, the world knows they have money. I'm want to listen when me say. How are you? I want to listen what me I say. I want to get robbed. But then the grab her phone. Let me grab her phone and fuck her.
Who that?
One eye girl in her back. So they hear she have a lot of teeth.
And the person on the bottom when I'm anime hear the screaming in the background.
They put on the live. Then put on sleep on the live. They never cut you.
Yeah, she gonna know.
But look here now. Rosealee said must have Monday so she want 20 grand from Jakes. Rosealee don't want 20 grand from Jakes. You just antagonize Jakes. You just you exercise to look ammunition.
People, this person where I say, I don't know if I King or what. I say Rosealee will never find a replacement for Jakes, whatever, this and that. Yo, him for no say, you know, woman move on when them find who them want, you know. Them now move on unless them find somebody, unless them not find somebody, you know. Maybe some of them will move on if things get too terrible and them not have nobody, but them have a prospect. You see what I say? So let me know what you think, my people. An easy thing that to replace Jakes.
And a big old 60-year-old goat.
Come here.
Man, so bro, but what you know, all we owe Anna one big apology, guys. It all we on the internet. Anna they come talk, I will say Anna a liar.
Because Anna they come talk, we say Anna tell them, and we say to Anna say she a liar. But remember, say Anna say her mother no. Remember, say Anna say her mother knows.
That's why the
argument make Anya go on so now and true, she knows Zoe a fuck and she knows Zoe get check up on them things that she want come find somebody to blame your blood clot self. You know, so you like Zoe fuck them the blood clot place. Blame yourself. And you know you put Zoe in a lace wig and nails and eyelash, man I go look hard.
What you know, me feel like say Aki walk pay for ear the day they know when Annie say ear and nails done and no school, make them go right? Me feel like a happy walk here for that. Cause the day that them dog on ministry now.
Listen, you remember the day when she got ministry and Aki walk did on live with Vani? What Aki walk tell Vani? Aki walk said them there police station and try clear him name.
Yeah, Vani said where you there.
And I said
what you know? What you know? We think say as something Aki walk just I tell Vani to shut up Vani, but the actual facts in my talk about.
And look how Annie turn it around upon the man and against the man.
Exactly. I see there push it in and see there make Annie free.
CD make anybody afraid. If you're putting in a school and see about CDA,
we are wait pan Dragger come tell with the truth. Wait till the Audi key get text where with the Audi get fixed and the key get take back.
Pull up in, remember this. Pull up in at the Audi, yeah.
Be your feelings, them I carry, yeah.
Pull up in at the Audi, yeah. Dragger come buff on the business.
But yeah, please say Dragger crash woman, yeah.
The man
said, if Jagger driver by Tida already, and I have to say, no Jagger, give back the car. I said, stiff up. You can't stiff up and drive.
Oh, Jagger slide down Audi when the
calm. But Jagger make him mother a bigger driver for him in a couple day time.
Remember, different man teach Annie, so Annie have to learn.
But I'm surprised that Annie did Anthony live and I tell Anthony about oh you ever hear me say me sell me pitney them, me rather go sell my front instead of my pitney them lay down.
Exactly.
But Zoe walk Aki walk yeah.
Cash guys, you know follow me now.
Me follow you already LD now.
And what I'm
telling people them when follow me.
To them the Jagga live. You Jagga no. Oh.
Remember now beg me for follow on you so no follow me now good no.
Aki walk is a big man. Him shouldn't there with Zoe. Him a big man. But the thing is, he shouldn't walk that Zoe shouldn't go down there.
Cash now play, you know.
No, what Annie do to Aki walk a wickedness.
Yes, she asked Anthony that.
It cut me up, bro.
No, but Jagga said to the Sash.
No,
Jagga said to the pan live.
LD, no wait now. You admin at the back and you attack.
Sash, Jagga said to the pan him live, say, Aki walk, she'll tell Zoe no. Right? That's the Manoa said. Right? That's the Manoa said. It was consented.
Exactly. We hear it to say that too.
And Jamaica age of consent is what, 15? 16? Okay.
16.
And how is Zoe?
So we have what, 13? We don't know.
Listen, we don't even know.
Like police said tonight on the live.
A be a lie Annie tell. We don't know Zoe real age. Can remember
be a lie,
17, 18, 19, 20.
What you know, I feel like Zoe at 16. I feel like she's 16, but Annie try to say maybe Zoe was 15 in a June. Let me tell you something.
Mix the queen over here. Big up yourself, you know.
Yes, she a 40.
No, me not believe that. Remember, you know, Annie's a pro at line. Annie I go tell me things for no run with the cash. She don't want to.
Max the queen.
No,
she
Jagga say Aki walk. Should I tell Zoe no?
Me feel like she younger than Alex.
Oh, Jagga. Oh, Aki walk. I go tell Zoe no when Jayden tell Mika no, and Annie want cut off Jayden head.
Alright.
Me know if you have facts. Say Alex has Sue 17. Me know that. Cause more say me and Alex around one another when me used to do.
Remember say Anna say them F each other, Alex and Zoe them. Remember Anna say it.
Oh, so that means that she's gonna be 16 soon.
Yeah. It's just sad because she's gonna end up going home because anything she wouldn't know and I gonna get locked up.
Boy, you have to know what you do for me that them are days, you have to.
But listen, so much screen recording here to incriminate Annie. She should have keep her little 3-color all quiet.
And Annie wicked, cause even then Annie still come on live because our Chanel say Chanel have bag and they pitney them around back her.
First of all, I see the lady for come for blood clot Chanel pitney them cause Chanel left and got an Airbnb how much blood clot weeks and they pitney them there people that suffer hungry.
No, people that need that she mother.
Me? The pitney them did hungry same way. Can remember say she come on live and me when Jagga the pitney them hungry and she needs that.
Sherry, look here.
Oh yeah.
Annie pum pum have 3 color for true. 1 color na the crease, 1 color on the top and 1 in the center. Cow pussy Annie have.
I never know sir Annie was a pornographer.
What I call pum pum.
What? Who really sit down and watch Annie porn? Them look disgusting and big.
When Annie spread out, Annie pussy look like cow pussy. You watch African show them when them a cook the cow pussy and them a 3 color pum pum Annie have 3 color. Thought it was a clown.
No, who really sit down and watch Annie porn them? Annie said she was a pornographer.
Any man buy the
Zoe run like UCM ball.
Workless man buy the pum pum there.
It's true. I don't have time to go back and forward.
It's an elevator.
And he said, oh, me skin up my pussy and go sell my pussy and make me pity them. I really should have shame because what did you pity them think?
Bro, me no one for pussy seller. And they make them boardhouse and then kitchen and then 1 bathroom. And no man say we Alex pussy.
Annie go.
Every time Annie get mad.
Here Brandon, oh yeah, look for Annie pussy you want me.
Oh, them can't lie say me do nothing to Zoe, you know. No time. First time I'm gonna come with evidence and DNA and forget me down. Them can't get me down.
Hey, listen to me. That they who they wash out a Zoe how much months ago?
So why am I to Zoe and TT like me have so? Ever since me done the TT one.
That's why Zoe they feel comfortable for wear the belly skin go up on the road when Jagga school are.
Zoe have a batty rider and when them go river. Zoe have a batty rider and Brazier and Mika cover up Avan shot and Mika more big woman than Zoe.
Yeah. And they really set up Aki walk, you know. No, she really not have. Watching the LD, you know. She a texting now because you're one bad driver. Nobody up there can drive and she put away the driver. No go up there, no. LD, you know.
How long now no see me run and him, my love?
And you make your woman come left if you dirty Annie and come
chat. The teeter is selling. I want 6.5 for the teeter. The low, I was have it at 7 the other day. No more 6.5 seat. The least.
Remember, so them say a BMW invisible can't drive. So try make it stay that way there.
Nobody drive all week.
Yeah.
Nobody make it drive.
Police Annie has set up Aki walk.
We all know say Annie set up Aki walk. Bro, we have screen recording of Annie
vex over the money. Remember, say Aki walk come talk. Say them
people live on top of the screen. This need more people.
No, this not need no more people.
What do you mean?
Member said and the money make them not argue first. And Aki walk come apologize about the money. And the money first cause the problem. And Aki walk apologize and say
thank you very much. Share the life. 19 share. I want to have 50 share over there.
If you ask me, Annie coming
guys, you know, follow them.
Follow Sash. Follow 19.
And follow Mad Girl.
And follow Mad Dog. We have a follow back somehow.
Mad Girl.
We have a follow back somehow. We need to follow back somehow. Because we're not good
people. On remember good, you know. Say Anna did come talk it, you know. Say that you the Aki walk and Zoe there, you know. Remember say Anna did come talk it, you know, my people. You saw me I say and Anna lied and this and that. So people, it only lead me to believe everything where Anna I say about Annie. You saw me I say because she did don't come tell we say Zoe and Aki walk there, you know. You saw me I say and look they know and he decide to fling him under the bus you know to see if for herself because that's something we she know a long time. Cause remember you know she say from them time they from in a wet name the man there with the youth. Seeing from them time them are there with the youth, right? So you tell me say when Anna did come out and I said you never know say it a go on for real and from them the time they did a go on. And after them the time the Anna come say it, people, Jaja, tell me what you think.
Why people always find me everywhere I go?
Come guys, you know shop live on top of the screen and follow it. Come guys,
no,
so we can follow
Aki walk need a good liar for true.
Never know Annie you're not close again. Yeah, me Annie good man. That's why you see me, I know me I say thing them you know. I know me I say nothing. See what?
Yeah, she need a 95. Oh, me need a 95 at fucking 4:36 in the fucking morning, idiot. I have a job. I have a freaking job. You know what I want my job be? Brandon, don't make me get grimy up on the live, you know. Alright.
Brandon, love my people, let me know Brandon.
Oh, they can't come this me and me there work. Listen, me there work.
No, say extra I make right now when him there.
Exactly, like and she want to come off contact to him, can't bother.
Explain that LD, no. What me fi explain? LD, no. But I have somebody for what you know. You have $1 million put on, but still I'm gonna invest it now on court. And he said, Zoe, Aki walk, Alex, every night to sleep, TikTok police say so.
Yeah, that's what TikTok police said on live. And then come back 11 a.m. in the morning.
Alright. Thank you very much. And I miss you saying, look.
Andrea, everybody make it seem like say Aki walk wrong. What about the local fresh girl Zoe? Zoe are pitney. If you didn't be raised properly, you wouldn't go put yourself in a battle with them the type of situation that if it's true.
Dirty girl combo me. When me can't combo me telling a bitch I'm undefeated. Like, don't play with me, bitch. I'll pull up on you. Don't fucking play with me. Like, I'm not.
Sweat. It greasy, man. Gonna get a lot of fry this morning, Chick-fil-A. I really want my blood finger. Eh? At work, auntie that not say you never name fry. Then you go work go fast, so you know up here wicked people, you're not gonna be distracted. You know your workplace build and chatting people on the print newspaper. Come here now. So me just say eat a bag of fry, you gotta talk about say you at work. Eh? Talk show McDonald's, you know McDonald's? Eh? How will you move my blood finger this? I feel like a queen in the sonnet. I want to get me a Queen Sheba. Cause sometimes I feel a Sheba-ish, you know. Yeah, I feel a Sheba-ish. See after me Sheba-ish. At work eating some bacon with egg for my breakfast. See there? Georgia. And we are going for a program. Thanks much, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, rat bat and dog bat. Big up on yourself. You understand what I'm trying to say?
When we cook for everybody eat. Every day we check for everybody who eat who good. So not like me there, so me treat him fuck up. No type of way me treat him. You understand me? The last time me and him have something, me tell you something what me and him have. Me can tell you something, me like in front and face, me deal with him away. Him crash in licky car, right? Him licky car. And I'm not saying, him a drive, you know, so remember saying after him licky car in a film 40, in a film hands. And him carry the car go down at the mechanic, right? And when he bring the car go down at the mechanic fix the car, right? The man get $31,000 from our woman where man chat me with. Cause I started to find out say man chat me, you know. Right? I started to find out say man chat me with woman on social media. So yeah, him a drive, you know.
So cocky people want to listen to this. Want to listen to every word that she has said.
Saying after them licky car in a film 40 in a film hands. And then carry the car go down at the mechanic, right? And when they bring the car go down at the mechanic fix the car, right? The man get $31,000 from our woman where man chat me with. Cause I started to find out say man chat me, you know.
Right?
I started to find out say man chat me with woman on social media. You see, same woman that when he chat every day and him chat me. I'm gonna make it bother me, you know.
Listen to that.
I have no evidence. And since recently me get a voice note them say my chat. Me never did not see a true. You see one thing with me if me and your friend, you have to come with evidence for me say you do something. Me not go believe nobody, me stubborn.
What stubborn?
And when you go fix the car down at the mechanic, right?
Alright my people, so I can listen to what Shibada say because you don't know say Shibada go in, right? So I can listen to some more my people.
He get $31,000 when go call it from one woman on social media was sending money. The same woman where we put him in the house over there. You see me? I mean look at him and I say to him say Akiwa start out the car. Come remember say him lick the car. And the man going at the corner, you know. And they are chatting with the woman, you know. And they are diss me, you know. On the phone go one side and you know, I don't want to pay the money, you know. So I turn to him and I said to him, say, make me and you pay it half and half. Then that's fair. That time they did go and carry them go eat dinner. But I don't know if I see one video on my phone where they carry all of them go eat the pizza. Anyway, if they come with me that night then. My son-in-law, him, all of them they don't care go get pizza.
Pizza and dinner was all in one category, walking side and side. Now pizza and stubborn, they were not getting along. You understand? You know,
Ladies and gentlemen, the story is told that police beat up Akiwak, and Akiwak gas station. I don't know how truth it be, or lie be, or how false it be. Watch the cream and my fingernail. Now, ladies and gentlemen, first thing first, we want to see a collective of things, but we want to pick up. Street smart, you get tricked by all of these people. First and foremost, I would just like to know. First and foremost, come on class, we're going, read with me class. Who is Aki Walk? Come again class. Who is Aki Walk? The rest of the sentence is to the family. Question mark. That's the first thing we're going to attack. Who is Aki Walk to the family? Family, cause them are not family. Family. I don't want to see nobody write family. Family. Somebody write family. It's family. You can't just put family, but put family anyways. Cause fam, Bill, and Lee, they were walking together one day. Alright now. So who is Aki Walk to the family? I want an honest question. I don't want the nowadays question. I want the honest question. I don't want to hear Zoe's man. I don't want to hear that. Now we're going from beginning because you cannot attack the result until they attack the process. So come. Who is Aki Walk to the family? Stranger diva. I saw 2 persons say Annie man. Okay now, for the 2 to 3 persons who says Annie man, give yourself a pat on the shoulder. I'm going down to one puppy. You understand me? You guys going to get a puppy. So, the streets is saying that Aki Walk is Annie's man. And I would just like to put in, young tycoon, go on, man, little, young tycoon, what are you? Go on, man. And then you're tiny. Yeah. From last night, you don't sleep, go lay down. Yeah. So, back to the something. Who is Aki Walk to the family? Persons are saying it's Annie's man. So I am going to put in one Annie man them. No, because we're going to talk a lot of things. Why police lock up Annie? Did Annie pay the police to lock up Aki Walk? Why the police them come at Aki Walk yard and kick down the man door and beat him up? That's one of the next thing. That's why I'm going to vote for Andrew. Oh. So, you take a story, Mr. Afistan, from somebody who is on the internet that is a potential liar, deceiver, wicked, careless mother, right? You took that story from that mother without any form of lab result, and you come and beat up the man and Aki Walk really now soon. You must be dreaming. You must be dreaming. DR backside. Thing, you know, a bunch of people must still dreaming. Then I'm gonna bright pan this way. Right, me like that one day. Trini, me like that one day. Me like that one day, Trini. Somebody help teach. Hey, me got class Auntie Daphne. Me I go wrap up Auntie Daphne Princess Rookie. Me go wrap her up. Mum said one go and good body girl now use no alarm. Girl give a friend it's still man around. Any simple means say them the girl body done. Yeah. I need a book. Now people, tell me the truth now. The police them come, beat the boy and lock him up. For what Annie says, now police officer come here. Annie run come a station with Akiwa's name and say, from June, him there with her daughter like she never know. So fast now, let us retrograde a bit. Una now go for dragger. Una now go lock up dragger. Anna never come up and talk or dragger. I deal with that little pokey. Him sister pokey. Since his Anna talk about Akiwak, Anna naga station for Jaga our son. Why you think Anna itch up beside the red hands? It's because she and Draga she traumatized based on where her brother used to do her. Who remember years ago, I think early pandemic when I came up and I said that little boy is molesting his sister. Who remember when I said that? Who remember? And then a year or a year and a half Anna come out and repeat what I say. Who remember when I said that? Who don't have no memory, a son a stare. Who remember when Draga used to beat Anna? I said that's no ordinary beating. He's not doing Zoe that now. He's not doing Mika that. Who remember? When I said check on Jaga and Anna because he's playing with that baby. He's playing with that little girl.
Alright, my people, I want to tell me what you think, right? Because you see, from the youth can say such and such and such and such, the officers them are going to believe the youth and hold on upon the man until him can prove say nothing no go so. But from the youth say something, you know what I mean? So if Annie carry the youth and the youth say re, them are going to believe the youth, you know what I mean? And them are going to hold on upon the youth, pan Akiwak. You understand me? So make watch some more.
Anna come out and Anna say Jaga used to play with her. So Akiwak gone to jail now, Annie? Oh, you jump past your son and gone to your man? I didn't question me ask, you know. Me always ask the weirdest set of questions if you don't notice my program. Me not ask what everybody asks, and me not gloat over what everybody gloat over tire. You understand me? But you see, these are the stuff me tell you. Who remember when Annie come out and tell her like, you see how much weeks me I talk about this? You see how much weeks me I talk about this? Who remember when Annie come out and tell her like, Pam, me say me make sure lose her work. And she then woman do an interview with Andrew Stevens, and Andrew say, Annie go for the letter, and Annie say she don't bring it. No, if you don't bring the letter at home, where did you hide the letter, Annie? Because the letter supposed to be in your house. So who remember when I said that? Now we are going to the meat of the matter about Akiwak and Zoe. I don't think we just outline some things go now so they can ponder on these things. Who remember? Me make Annie lose her work. Who remember the church together, everybody together, and in all fairness, Annie never look and Annie never say, you know, say never really says, I just true, I can't stomach him. So Christian people would never get involved there. She not said nothing. She went with the ride. Coming back. My thing about the whole Akiwak and Zoe is this. Me hear people say, If Aki Walk really do that still, I never say that. And everybody know and always know where I stand when certain things occur. Put that out here, alright. Move now, mosquito, I'm gonna catch you. Come here, get determined, man. Where you there? I'm gonna catch you. And you always see brother me are doing brother things. Now ask you. Yeah. The whole Zoe and Aki Walk now. If Zoe are 14 and I take old, Zoe I take old from she about 12. Let me put it this so I can push it way down. Yeah, Annie? Annie say if you go for lock up Aki Walk, somebody for come and lock up you. Because they say Aki Walk is your man, Annie. You and Aki Walk used to exchange body fluids, probably not there. And remember you bring TikTok police when you're picking them. Remember you leave your picking them with your man, but me for Anthony Orlando. One of them you leave your picking with. Remember you got Bahamas and your daughter and you and man asleep in a one room. Remember that, Annie? Remember that. Annie, you are very wicked, and for do this to somebody's son at the height of wickedness this. You know how much years people like the people for underage? And you rather the youth where you used to suck fame out and him used to nyam out your crutches because Aki Walk make it known say him like big woman, but if him see a young crutches open, don't think him now go take it. Come on, Annie, do better than that. What hurt is because Aki Walk must say I take one woman where you hear my talk to and you vex. Stop competing with your children, Annie. Stop competing with your kids. That's the exact thing where you do. You can't tell me nothing and you so don't get a girl still. You carry man when you pick them because they say after you get them, you pick them, can't have them. That's how you do it. I don't blame Redance when him say you used to flirt with him, Annie. Come now, man. Come now. You can leave Zoe with Aki Walk overnight while on that Airbnb. How Zoe know how in a Aki Walk house look? Annie, why you make your daughter go around Aki Walk who is your friend, Annie? Why you bring your friend around your daughter only to prison the man? You know this not have nothing to do with Zoe taking Aki Walk. How long you and Aki Walk a friend? Cause you are talking from June him there with your daughter. It's not from June, my baby. It's not from June. It's not from June, and you knew. You gave Mika to the Jayden. You brought your daughter on the app and you gave her away. We see that. If nobody else see it, me see. To the point where Jayden can talk, so she's so cool in her car back. You gave away your daughter. This is what you have been doing. Annie, come here again. Me see you do something. Me see you enter to use your son, drag her for entertain the transvestite on the app. And then I'm going like say you now play entertainment. This is what you do. If nobody not see your handiwork, them now look. Every time you bring a man come around, you want the man. And you use your daughters as advertisement to keep them around. You, Annie. You. I can't see the purpose. The child not breed, she not have STD, she not have nothing at all. She overcome body. And you really want to lock up Aki Walk? Me can't see the relevance. You and I know say, you don't send your child to school, but you leave her in the care of one of your man them, one of your hooker man. This is what you do. Yeah, when you remember the dirty laundry, so when you run an attack, me no know all the you pay the police and the same police them will come for Aki Walk. You pay them and people for investigate them because nowhere should lock up Aki Walk based on hearsay. You check out the man, you check on the beat the man, lock up the man based on what Annie say. Don't do that. Don't do that because if you don't check, Zoe all now is not Aki Walk who has sperm in her.
Eh? This is what I support. This is what I want to support. I want to support this to the point where people start to pay a penalty. Yeah. Me no know where Annie had gone with. Annie not take off CDA off of Zoe. CDA need to come and pick up Zoe now because Zoe has been abused. Annie, you just let out your daughter. If you cannot control your daughter, man take Zoe maiden because you put Zoe in a man's care and got an Airbnb with TikTok police. You did that all by yourself. Nobody not see it. So when you're running a talk about Akiwak, standing cock have no conscience. Zoe never come tell you say Akiwaka play with her. It's consensus. It's consensual. Yeah. He got the consent. Yeah. I'm not asking you. Zoe never tell you. Simply means that the body fit. The cocky fit in your daughter all and I intake her maiden. So what she did that do in your eyesight because I am in mash up. But true Akiwaka entertain other woman, you vex Annie. You vex. You listen to this? You listen to all your talk? You don't have no story.
When you cook, we cook for everybody eat.
When you cook for everybody eat. Why you bring a strange man in your yard and cook for him and he's a big man with picnic? Come the man desperation.
Every day we check for everybody who eat on the good.
No man, every day you ensure Akiwak eat and Akiwak good. Akiwak never have a problem with you taking other man because him understand the assignment. He no mind with you flirting with other men because him understand the assignment. Come, can we know them something?
So not like me there, so me treat him fuck up. No type of way me treat him.
But you don't know him, so you could never treat him shag up. You could never. You have a growing daughter and a young man. So explain all of this to me. You're a grown woman.
Alright, my people, let me know what you think in the comment section and tell me what you think about Shibada several people. Why, me not lie, still when nothing go on in them, I always want to hear Shibada version or Shibada take from whatever situation, you know, because he have some different take from some other people, you know what I mean, will make you think. You know what I mean? Him not just go with the crowd and him just object. You see me I say most of the time him object, yeah, but him object with facts. You would have say with more say facts still, but things to make you think. You know what I mean? So let me know what you think, people. Make watch some more.
Now look young boy, why not think a bigger boy go look your young daughter? This no make no sense, Annie. You're old and a peer young boy you are look. Show her false class. So why would you put your young daughter around a look good guy? Cause Akiwak not look bad.
You understand me? The last time me and him have something, let me tell you something me and him have. See, I can tell you something, me.
The last time she and him have something, the year.
It's like in front and face me deal with him away. Him crash, he lick a car. Right? Him lick a car. And I'm not saying, him a drive, you know, so remember saying, and him lick a car in a film 40, in a film hands.
We know all of this.
And him carry the car go down at the mechanic.
Yeah.
Right? And when him bring the car go down at the mechanic fix the car. Right? The man get $31,000 for our woman where man chat me with. Cause I started to find out say man chat me, you know. Right? I started to find out say man chat me with woman on social media. You see, same woman they will eat me like a dose of pies, him and them a chat every day and him chat me.
Rosealee. She hears saying get $31,000 from one woman when him a chatter with. You wanna hear? Listen to the power in the chatter with, you know. Just listen. I'm here jealousy, this is me I play it back.
Right? I started to find the same and chat me with woman on social media.
Alright. If your brethren, good ass, thank you very much. If your brethren, the first lady, if your brethren not chat to you, with woman. Why everything must be so forceful? Listen to the hurt in our delivery. I tell you, say Annie and Aki walk used to grind. You see, you have some youth in some community who really not have it, and you can manipulate them. Manipulation. Because me can't understand your daughter chat you, everybody chat you, Annie. So why a stranger when a stranger chat you? Listen to the hurt in Annie's tone. Listen.
I'm not making bad of me, you know, because I never have no evidence. And since recently me get advice me.
When you want evidence and it's not your man. You cannot mind the individual or feed the individual and you want evidence. No, that's a lie. Contingency plan Akiwakis.
Him say my chat me. Me never did not say a true. You see one thing with me if me and your friend, you have to come with evidence for me say you do something. Me not go believe nobody, me stubborn. And when he go fix the car down at the mechanic, right? He get $31,000 when he go call it from one woman for social media was sending money. The same woman.
Here they again. This not have nothing to do with the data and the situation, you know. This not have nothing to do with the data, the situation in June.
And the man going at the corner, you know. And did that chat me with the woman, you know. Right, I did that this me, you know. Put the phone to one side and I, you know. I don't want.
Then Aki walk for this, yo. Aki walk for go one side. And this and that bother you. That could have never bother me because I don't know say I'm going to chat with the woman. Aki walk get some money from the woman to fix the vehicle. Since she's staying at 31,000. It no matter how you want chat, me just get the money. So jealousy coming at this.
Yeah, the money, you know. So I turned to him and I said to him, said, make me and you pay half and half. Then that's fair. That time they go and carry them go eat dinner. I don't know if you see one video on my phone where they carry all of them go eat the
Everybody knows say Annie walk and go up man bad. Because you could have never have the guy to do the service and you want carry that dinner after him a bullshit you. This remind me of me and my man. Now care what him do, but still make him go eat. Come on man. Come on. Anyways, cat mouth kill a cock, so I'm going to play one next one, my love. Who this one say me I really miss her? Hey, that person had done me now. Me I play one more. But the boy you talk so slow like him a handicap, me don't know who and with him.
Them hours just a little simple fall out and it reach here, so you understand? So me not jump no bridge and say you are going and guilty, do it, take him away. The only thing, when we did it, the only thing me see where it kind of turned me off was me see him in a one sweater and then maybe the next 2 or 3 days me see she in the same sweater. So I said, so all them are wearing the same clothes. That's the only thing where we see we kind of say, yo, Jalo.
Alright, you see what TikTok police say right here, so now? He just give up Annie.
Hey people, one thing me know say Shibada could have become one detective. Yeah man. You see him put certain things together. And my people, you see if TikTok police go there and observe them there's something there. When feel like say him shoulda bring it to Annie attention or him know say Annie already know what go on. So him no bother bring up the obvious. So I say cause if the mother didn't see them he pick me away the man things. Something pick me not supposed to. You see me I say? So my people, a long time them something go on and he just come do this, forget fear herself out of trouble. So, let me know what you think.
Him just give up Annie. May I say something? TikTok police have never seen them in a compromising position. Him only see them at exchange clothes. Now my question is, why is it alarming to TikTok police to see Zoe in the man's outfit, if Zoe's attitude towards the man was not sending a message from day one to TikTok police that it should be alarming. You understand me? So it must have been certain attitude around the mother that piqued his interest. You understand me? And caused him to recognize that it's the same jacket the man was wearing, she's wearing 3 to 2 days after. You're here, sir, from June, Imanarde. You're here. Okay. So you're not here, say, she take a man in the town. One businessman where you are collect from. You're not here, say, you are collect from Zoe, man. I tell you, say Annie is wicked and manipulative and on a think a lie, me I tell. And these are causing a lot of innocent people. I tell you, say the motto for Apicana and the scripture we use is come from among them, be ye separated and touch not the unclean things. I tell you this from day one, but you never believe me. I tell you, say me don't want a friend from them. And then Annie attack say people are centered to her. How you know if you carry Akiwa gas station, but you don't know if you carry the number to the police? With their private number, them text upon Annie through WhatsApp. Eh? A private number, them threaten you upon WhatsApp with. Annie need to be arrested. Annie need to be arrested. We have to arrest Annie because we still open the app and see Annie sell out her children them. We talk to Annie about her children them and she don't care. We sit on the app. September Zoe, Annie says she send Zoe to school. Annie walk and beg, borrow and thief money after the app to send Zoe to school. Oh, Zoe in their school. Oh, Zoe in their school so till Zoe they home till she have to run from CDA. How?
If of the kids or no kids, you should have bad mind nobody because it's not your money, it's gift. But I don't know how some people ever want to have saying over people money. And the people that are working money when they work for.
She's supposed to be happy, say, him come and I get a little help because
you know what I say, but not only because of him, she feel happy because the help is going toward the kids and not only to him. But then again, you have to understand that she don't give a fuck about the kids from day one. So she didn't give a fuck about the kids. She don't really give a fuck about where the money want to go to. She would go as far as want it. She alone to get the money. She alone to the number one. She coming like them people there where she coming like some friend where I tell you what kind of what person Mr. Rosealee. Rosealee is this person where we have one friend, you know. And that the friend always want to be the one to go out. He always want to be the one for him to buy the bottle. You know why you pay fee kind of want nobody make you look like say you have the money. You want to show the people them say you have money. You know them friend they blinga when they got a party and them want buy the bottle and them want drive car and you in a back and them they just always want to be seen to make it look like them are the main character. And that a Rose. Rose for always the number one. Rose for be the breadwinner. She alone for make the money. And she for provide for the house. And she people for know about everybody else for be known under she. As such a stay. Yes, she don't want drinks to win.
She needs to have some people in her corner to tell her, say, Woody, listen.
Triple chat.
You want 720 on the whole like people them and shut them up. Show them say you're better than this.
Triple chat. Medusa, thank you.
Everybody's something for the first triple chat.
She just go. The people them for just continue help Drakes until they get the help. Triple team, triple chat. You know me not play no more cause blinga people them focus guys, we not focus. Bad man, so triple team. Miss Trans! Thank you, Miss Transatlantic. Blinga, I have a crush.
On who?
A handsome boy.
Oh please, we know, yeah, you love when name chat, where boyfriend name? Kim, we know. Thank you, Destiny new page.
What?
Yeah, okay, we know you have a crush on King. Stop it.
I'm trying to get rid of King. I'm trying to get rid of King. You tell me about King. So I'm getting rid of blood clot King. A bad man, a better man, a hotter man, a sweeter man, me go for. You know is it, girl?
Now go on your song, so I go to
you go to me.
You live on TikTok.
You come tell me about King.
9 Rose chat. Everybody 9 Rose. In the on TikTok?
Yes.
Just a O. Jesus. Oh, Jesus. Who name somebody for the look for him?
9 Rose.
9 more roses. Yes, sir. 9
Rose.
So you tell him?
No.
What am I here now?
I think I'm Montreal. Montreal is my best friend.
He wrote this chat. If somebody said, the people that are typing in the comments say Jezzo, G-E-Z-Z-O.
Them I tell Joseph to run, but Joseph run from them. I think Joseph know the well, I'm just doing research already. That's the thing. Then I realize that every time they tell the man them run, me end up there with them too. You know what I'm saying? You waste your breath.
Not only that, if I the skin out pussy them at about, men love those things. And a lot of men have
We're going to do content with 3 things. You have one on the side, one on the side. Triple chat, come say hi. Say hi.
Hi.
Call off on the phone. Hello?
Hi, how are you?
What matter? Hello? Call on the phone. Hello? Call off. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Get in a new page.
Miss Angelique, thank you, my love.
Thank you. Everybody thank you.
Miss Angelique, thank you, my love. Lexi, blinga, why not? Blinga, a tree, me then know.
No one, somebody said no one liar.
Thank you.
No, there's no way.
30K if we got top 20%, and then we go up on the ranking. What's your ranking there? 58. Okay, I'm gonna keep on the ranking today. I got 82 today.
Can you see what you have there for the ranking? How much are there?
Me the 83.
No, how much are there for the ranking?
Me no stop. Me no reach pan it, but me the 83. Me need the 60%.
We have regular strength, people. I can see what you are going at the ranking.
Alright, my people. More want to tell me what you think in the comment section. More ask you this. No Blinga did buy house for the oh, she in the same background of the apartment. How she no move out yet or nothing? Tell me what you think, because yo, them people that come on the internet come cap most of the time, you know, but me don't know if she cap about the house or she have fix it up or whatever, because she can buy it, you know. You know what I mean? But she not ready for, she not move her things them. Yeah, maybe she not move her things them. But me know what I think, my people. I think me have something with blame them or this up a bag of people. Maybe we put it in this next video.
Me nah bother gonna be. People no feel listen to when me talk. Anytime me come here count on no feel listen. Cause me no chat fuckery, bro. Rosealee, people listen. Me tell them what really go on. Listen. People listen to me. People listen to me. You see, a share start the fuckery. Share CPS take with share pitney from back in ideas. So if you choose CPS take with share pitney from back in ideas, share call CPS from Rosealee pitney. And then after Rosealee call CPS Annie Pitney. Yes. Annie Pitney. Yes, me Rosa, yeah, and then Annika and them call CPS. I be a crab in a barrel thing I go on with them. All of them are drunk and shit in a plate. So if you make we tap give them no money. When you tap give drunk them on order and money, people, please. Me I beg you no. Tap give Rosealee no money. Rosealee worthless. Rosealee I take on the money by man. Rosealee now don't with the money. Look how long Rosealee chopping a dirty house. Eh? How much here now? When you take Rosealee no money. Rosealee workless. Rosealee now no ambition. Rosealee I take on the money by cocky. Take Rosealee no order on money. Take on the money do something better with it. Take on the money by gun. Take on the money by
pussy. The man them take their money buy pussy and the girl them take their money go buy cock. Cause rosealee take you do the same thing. So the girl them take their money buy cock and the man them take their money buy pussy. You no go and go do that. Rosealee go suck your mama and go take you buy gun too. I better you no go buy gun than buy bumbuck and give Rosealee. Cause Rosealee do the same thing. Cause gun Rosealee take on the money buy. You can't want to kill a baby father. You no go call Ivany. You no go tell Ivany say me a call her. You no go call Ivany. Me tell you that chat now. You no go call Ivany. You no go call Ivany, people. People go call Ivany. Rosa crosses, people. You don't know that. Rosa crosses you. Rosa big destruction. Rosa want like a dirty dog bed you. Me say me done with drunk you. You know call that Ivany. Ivany, me say Ivany, I want dirty walk this girl. Call him. You go call Ivany, people. Go tell Ivany say me I call her. All Jayden I want bad mind batty boy. He prank out the internet till he can't see himself. Jayden can't see himself, people. Jayden now nothing they go on with.
Hey, batty boy, blood there, come down drunk or dirty.
Me not know with snow. Me not trust nothing name snow. Anything name snow no good. I'd be nothing name snow fam. No do that, bro. No do that fam. No do that. Not name snow. No mix not with snow with that so. No, we not trust nothing name snow dog. No do that. That with somebody else fam. No add nothing name snow. Y'all don't know anything name snow. We not trust nothing name snow. Yeah, anything name snow we kinda run from here, see me? Yeah, cause I remember I snow them a belt. You no go call somebody for me play match with. You no go call Rosealee. You no go call Ivany in the paper with Ivany over there. Ivany like you over there said a fuck. Rose can't class me. Lottie think about Rosealee can't class me. Ain't thinking about Rosealee can't class me. Rosealee your class. Rosealee stink. Rosealee nasty after nothing like me I tell pan him. Rosealee go near more team mama. Rosealee if you go near more team mama. Rosealee and nobody. Rosealee stink. Rosealee bad mind. Rosealee workless. Rosealee a drunker. Rosealee nasty man dimer. Rosealee animal stink. Rosealee stink. Rosealee moving bumbo clad. Ima dirty dimer man clown. 2 man clown. 2 biggest man clown pan up. Dimer. Dirty Rosealee. What dirty stinking wheel. You don't go over there in a cuss me. I lie. Not no go so. Nobody no go over there in a cuss. If Rosealee jealous I man, who Rosealee would the jealous I? Rosealee stink, bro. Rosealee if you move in bumbo clad for your so dog. Rosealee jealous I own a man, who else he would the jealous I dog? So you can't accept better, bro. You can't accept better from Rosealee, bro. Rosealee stink, bro. You see me? Rosealee stink bad man. Rosealee and nobody man. Rosealee dirty and bad mind, bro. Rosealee want like a bad mind, dirty girl, bro. On the top comment that, bro. Anybody comment Rosealee a class me, mute them, cause nothing no go so. They want to go over there go watch and then honestly say nothing no go so. Don't go over there. Rosealee in a class me, they watch him for me other phone. Nothing no go so. Rose figure Rosealee want to dirty because we cancel her. Me go make sure say cancel because I'm a billion girl. I want cancel your dirty blood clot. Wait. Me I go cancel your dirty girl. Me I go cancel your dirty way. Me I go make sure say cancel. Me I live by your name every day till you fall off. I go and cancel your dirty girl. Dirty nasty girl. Rosealee and nobody man. On the top tell lie bro, we not run the reviews. After Rosealee and nobody. Rose as somebody man, Rose stink like a shit. All dirty well. That's why nobody to play with the blood clot. To all you, me this everybody.